Hello everyone, I'm Harun. Welcome back to elite.academy.creator. This is part 4 of the SPSS series, and today's message is very simple. You've learned what SPSS is. You've seen the questionnaire types. You know how to create them. Now, the next step is collecting your data and send it to me so I can analyze it for you professionally. And here is the most important thing I want you to know. There is no single fixed way to send me your data. There are many options. I will show you some of them now. As you can see, there are many options. Google Sheets from Google Forms, an Excel file, photos of your paper, questionnaires, and a scanned PDF, and a hand-drawn table, or anything else that works for you. Every researcher's situation is different, so instead of giving you one method that might not suit your case, just send me a message, tell me what you have, and together we will find the easiest and fastest way to get your data to me. So you can reach me through WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. All the details are right here on the screen. Just send me a message, tell me about your research, and I will guide you step by step until your data is in my hands and ready for analysis. In the next post, I will announce my full SPSS services, offers, and pricing, so make sure you follow and don't miss it. Please like it, save it, and share it with any student or researchers who needs SPSS help. Drop a comment. Until next time, together we're Thank you.